Okay, this is where I'm at right now, and this is there's a couple minor details evolving that I should have done by evening. But here is the new hopper bin set, the new loadout setup. It will be 15-foot bin, 9-footer, 15, 9, 15, 9. So we have our 415s up here. We have our 1 15-footer down here. Wait, no. 3 15-footers down here. This one, and this one. These three in a row are 15-footers. This is an 18, this is an 18, this is an 18. So we have 4 15s here, 3 15s here. That's 7 15s in this drawing. I think I have this right. On here we have 5 9-footers, the 4 15s, 3 12-footers, and then 2 6-footers here. And these 2 6-footers, I thought I'm only going to be able to fit one in there, but as I built stuff in, I came up with 2. So even if they say they can't go 10 ton on a 6-footer, if they can go 7 ton, that'll work for a Schuled flat top bin. But we need 6-footers in there, and then those there bins are just going to have 10-inch augers on them going to the drop. And some of these others were also going to downsize the loadout auger. So I did not get the spouts to them yet, but that is the layout. Over here, so there we have our storage bins and our receiving. And I do show 2 receiving pits here, which I'm going to remove that one as I clean it up and clean up details. I moved the wet hopper, but I need to move the pipe there. And then over here we have our other hopper bins here. So we added this bin, and actually I need to remove one of these and add another bin like this to get our 12-footers that we need, because here we have a 12-footer, here we have a 12-footer, and I'm going to move this bin and put this bin in there. So I'm not sure if that's all. Nope, that's not all locked together yet. I'm going to need to make that bin as one and move that out of the way, and then bring this big bin right in here and move the little bin over. Actually putting our 12-footer in. So yeah, I got some moving around to do, and maybe I'll just put this bin back here where it was and put my 2 12-footers over here, remove this 1 10-footer. So I'll have a better update towards the end of the day. I'll be working in here all day, and but yeah, I'll be moving a couple of these bins around yet. But this here is where I'm at for design. And I think till the end of the day we're going to be throwing 2 6-footers in here. Probably be a change order along the way, but we'll see how that goes, because we're going to have some changes in here with this weigh scale. We have this drag conveyor in here. Had some phone calls yesterday, and this is probably going to change to a U-trough to simplify that scale a little bit. We'll get into details. It's not going to be a big deal as far as like cost changing and stuff. That's not going to be a problem with the way I'm going on the change. So this is not, and a lot of these things I'm saying here are not Geno Source changes. These are grain dry repairman changes that are I am looking at the price tag as we go. And another thing I need to change is I need to bring this drag conveyor out and under the wall, and then angle up to dump into this conveyor here. So that's another change I need to do in the drawing. So bear with me here. This week it's going to be crazy to get this all locked down, get all my details worked out. So let me know if there's any other information you need. But yeah, I'll get these bins and stuff straightened out today. But this gives you a general overview of what's going on, what's happening. So and also the building of this structure right here, once we get the engineering done on this structure, we're going to want to put that out on bids for a couple shops, because I had a company throw me a number yesterday on what they could build this structure for. So once we have the engineering done, we want to throw that out on bids for building the steel framework of this structure here, just to make sure we get a competitive price on that. So yeah, let me know if you need anything else. Thanks.